Hello, Tech 413 here, and just wanted to do a quick little video. I am working on getting up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at last check about 26 away, and I want to say thank you to everybody, whether you're from YouTube machinists or different forums or different places across the web, that have helped me get to this point. So if you're watching this, thank you. And I want to give a special shout out to Belly Up Fish, who said he'd be excited with just a random shout out, and I figure, well, this might be a good time to do it. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. Catch you in a bit.
Hi, guys.
Hi, YouTube. So today, me and my son Cody are gonna be doing an oil change.
Oil change.
So, is this the first time you've been under a car?
Nope, because I believe once I played hide and seek and I went under here. No, I was playing soccer and I went under.
No, I don't think you did that.
No, I was playing soccer and the soccer ball got under here, so I had to get it. So I've been here.
Whoever put this bolt on, can you show me? Whoever put this bolt on this damn Toyota almost stripped it out.
Toyota? Isn't that a company?
Yeah. Oh, Cody.
Sounds like a
Are you watching what I'm doing?
Yeah, it's on you. I think.
So, this.
Okay, wait, what are you looking? So what are we looking at? I'm gonna give a closer look so they can see. I think I'll do a little spin around. And what size is that?
This is a 14 millimeter socket.
And can I show them the undercar?
Hold on. This is the part that I wanted you to record, buddy.
Yeah.
Because oil is about to start peeing out of here.
Is it gonna hit us?
Not if I do this right. So right now I'm pressing the bolt back in until I hear it snap. Like that.
Okay.
Now, I can remove this.
Can I show them the engine when you're done?
Watch.
Oh my God, is that what oil looks like?
Well, this is dirty old used oil that we should have definitely cleaned a while ago. Look at all that oil coming.
We're going to show you the oil. It's like an endless pit of tar.
Well, look, it's slowing down a little.
Yeah, endless pit of tar.
I'm just hoping that this pan is deep enough.
It's like a big pan.
All we gotta do is wait for all this oil to come out.
1 year later. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, it's slowing down. See that?
2 months.
Cody, get your fingers out from in front of there. Thank you, buddy.
It's starting to stop leaking.
Well, it's not leaking. It's pouring.
It's starting to stop pouring then.
That's a lot of
whatever you call it. I'm starting to think this will never end.
Oh, it will end because it's no longer as thick as it was or as much as it was coming out. Now it's just a thin little stream.
Let's show them the ball. Look how skinny it is.
Oh. It's my face.
That's why I chose to be here, so I don't get hit by anything. Tip, make sure your dad's here so you don't get hit by the oil if you're watching. Guys, look at the wind. Look at the wind. I'm showing them the wind.
That's
Look at it. It's making everything go flying, even that piece of cardboard. This is serious.
Yeah, well, it's all on my face now. So
that wind. Oh, let me see.
No, get the phone off me.
Sorry.
Stop being a silly butt.
Look how much oil that is on Daddy's hand.
Oh, yeah.
It's starting to look like chocolate.
It does look like chocolate syrup. And that's burnt oil and...
Hit a like if you think it's... Hit a like if you think this is dirty. And subscribe if you think it's... And leave a like.
Oh, come on. No one's going to subscribe to this video.
Why?
I'm not that popular.
Yeah, you are. You're the poppiest to be on my book.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Hashtag Tech 14 is 13.
413.
413 is the best YouTuber.
Alright, so now we got this little maintenance required light on. Well, to reset that, you turn the key to off and you hold the trip button. And there you go. Lights off.